Kala Saini, the principal of Mayo College Girls School, Ajmer. And now, please welcome the host of today's conversation, Mr. Siddharth Karnawat, the co-founder of Blue Sky FinTech.
Once a girl was flying a kite and all of a sudden her thread broke in. Everyone said, now kite won't fly. But the girl tried hard and tightened the thread and eventually kite flied and touched the skies. Welcome ma'am Neeti to Blue Sky Talks. Ma'am, today the world values more skill than the degrees. Can you tell us about your family or hometown? Any of the key lesson you learned from your parents? Who were like your role models? Did you follow somebody?
My parents were my role models. This is a famous quote as well, that when you educate a boy, he gets educated and he brings the education back home. He fends for his family, he takes his family forward, and it's a great thing. His entire family benefits. But when you educate a girl, she not only brings that education back to the family, she educates the family, she educates the community, the village, the community. Believe me when I say that life is not very easy. And it wasn't for any one of us. I'm sure Mr. Karnawat sitting here, or I'm sitting here, or all the other audience, all the adults who are sitting here. It has been difficult, but we found ways to tackle the problems. And I think one thing which has been consistent for all of us, and which you should have it in your life, is consistency and perseverance. And I've used these words multiple times. That kuch bhi ho jaye, I'm not going to give up. That little girl sang that beautiful song, Saw Khwahishein, and we have so many aspirations in our lives. How do we achieve that? Is through consistency. So choose that path and be consistent on that.
Fields like AI, we speak a lot about AI, data science, fintech. Now, how do schools helping out students not to overuse that and utilize as a part of your skill?
My biggest concern with AI is, and that's only one concern, that it's taking away and robbing young children their creativity. So I'm not saying that stay away from technology, don't use AI. It is a great tool, but use it to your advantage. Do not become slaves to it. Do not leave your brains and your thinking process to that AI, because it has been developed by individuals, right? Humans like you. So in a way, you are giving your entire thought process, your critical thinking, analysis of things to somebody else to say, you think for me, I don't want to. Brain is a muscle. Any of your body muscles, if you stop using, if you stop walking for 6 months, you will not be able to use your legs properly. If you're not using your arms or any of your muscles, brain is a muscle. So don't let your brain die. Let your brain continue to use your brain. Don't over depend.
And ma'am, which part of like holistic development is most overlooked among girls, which nobody, no girls are focusing on?
Sports. Even though girls are doing so well in sports, ranking, that's still very overlooked in schools, especially in day schools. I mean, if I were to ask for these girls who all are playing any kind of formal sports, a lot of them will actually raise their hands to say they're not. Very few will.
Say there is only one sports period.
Exactly.
In a day, I think.
Exactly. In day schools, well, not even in a day. The CBSE says, or the ICSE says, you need to have 5 sports periods in a week.
And nowadays, a lot of girls face a lot of unique challenges in their life. So, how do they face the realities and overcome all the challenges which they face?
When we were growing up, and I'm from a different era from then, all of you and you as well. When we were growing up, it's not that we didn't face that challenges. We did. But I think our challenges were very different from the challenges that they face today, because the access to information has increased so much, so vastly and so huge, in such a huge manner that it's at the click of a button. You have every information, every access. So the more information you have, it will...
More noise you have.
Absolutely. So
that is a big challenge now.
So the more knowledge you have, it also clouds your brain with the right thought process. What is right, what is not right. And sometimes with that more knowledge also comes information which is not relevant for you.